Let me show you how I made this easy Olive Garden inspired Zuppa Toscana soup. It's so rich and flavorful. It's simple to make and it has a rich, creamy flavor. Cheers! You simply cannot resist this soup. To start off with, I preheated my pot here, so I turned the heat on to a medium and I let it get hot. And now I'm going to add in 1 pound of Italian sausage, and I'm going to just be cooking this until the sausage browns. For the sausage, you can either use the hot, the mild, or just the regular. I'm using the hot. And once this has browned, I am going to be removing this from my pot. Once I removed all my sausage, in the same pot, I'm going to be adding in 1 package of bacon. This is 16 ounces. And I'm just going to cook the bacon until it is crispy. The bacon releases a lot of grease. I'm going to be removing it. And the easy way to remove it and not throw your grease into your sink drain is just to use a paper towel. I'm going to take out some of this bacon and I'm going to reserve that for when I serve the soup. And now to this pot, I'm going to be adding in half an onion that has been diced and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to just mix this in. And with my heat still at a medium, I'm going to add in, this is 4 potatoes. They are yellow potatoes, but you can use whatever kind of potatoes that you like. And I just diced them up and I did leave the skin on. And to this, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic salt, and 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper. The seasonings are to your liking. You can add or remove any seasonings that you like. And I'm going to mix this together. And now I'm going to toss back in my Italian sausage. I'm going to give this a quick mix. And to my pot, I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to mix this in together just for about a minute. So I'm going to add in 2 more cups of the chicken broth. And now to this, I'm going to add some kale. You can add as little or as much kale as you like. And I'm going to just mix the kale in. And I'm going to turn my heat down to a low. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to just wait until my potatoes soften, which will take about 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'm going to check on the potatoes. And it is done. These potatoes are fork tender. And to this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to just mix this until the cheese melts. And now this Zuppa Toscana soup is ready to enjoy. The meaty savoriness from the bacon and sausage and the crisp taste of those veggies combined together, you can just make a whole meal out of this. Serve it up in a bowl, topped with some bacon bits, or better yet, why not serve it in a homemade bread bowl. Either way, this soup is super delicious. Enjoy.